Over 80% of drivers have no idea these genius car hacks even exist. And here's the scary part. One of them can literally save you thousands of dollars by preventing early engine damage. Most people ignore these tricks their entire lives until they're stuck on the side of the road or staring at a repair bill they didn't see coming. Today, I'm breaking down 15 car hacks you've probably never heard of, simple, legal, and shockingly effective. Do not skip any of them. Every single one saves you time, money, or stress. Let's start hack number 15, hidden backup keyhole. Your key fob dies, parking lot, late night, car locked. Most drivers panic and call a locksmith, but almost every modern car has a hidden physical keyhole. Look closely at your driver's door handle. There's usually a small plastic cover. Pop it off. Behind it is a traditional keyhole. That tiny metal key attached to your fob, it's not decoration, it's your emergency backup. This key works even when your car battery is completely dead. No locksmith, no $75 service call, no waiting. It's been there the entire time, hiding in plain sight. Hack number 14, Sharpie for scratches. That scratch on your bumper makes you cringe every time you see it. Body shops want $200 to $400 to fix it. Here's the cheap fix. Grab a Sharpie that matches your car color. Carefully fill in the scratch. Let it dry. Buff lightly with a microfiber cloth. From a few feet away, almost invisible. Is it permanent? No. Does it prevent rust and buy you time? Absolutely. Keep one in your glove box. Hack number 13, the built-in car fridge. Most drivers don't know this. Your glove box might be a refrigerator. Check inside if there's a small AC vent. It's connected to your climate system. Turn on the AC and cold air flows directly inside. Perfect for cold drinks, chocolate, medication, sunglasses. On hot days, the glove box can be 20 to 30 degrees cooler than the cabin. Zero extra space, zero extra cost. Hack number 12, Vaseline on headlights. Hazy yellow headlights reduce visibility and make your car look old. After cleaning them, apply a thin layer of Vaseline. Buff gently. It creates a protective barrier that blocks UV damage, repels water, prevents oxidation. One jar lasts years. Bonus, works on rubber seals, chrome trim, and wiper blades. Hack number 11, transmission override. Dead battery, gear stuck in park. Every automatic car has a manual shift lock override. Look near the gear shifter for a tiny slot labeled shift lock. Insert a key or screwdriver, press down, and shift into neutral. Now the car can be pushed or towed. No jump start needed. This hack alone has saved drivers hundreds in towing fees. Hack number 10, WD-40 for door hinges. That door squeak isn't just annoying, it's metal grinding. Spray WD-40 on the hinges. Open and close a few times. Silence. Preventative maintenance that costs pennies and takes 30 seconds. Hack number 9, aluminum foil plus jumper cables. Jump start not working? Wrap aluminum foil around corroded battery clamps. It improves contact and conductivity. This trick has saved countless people when a jump should have worked but didn't. Bad connections cause most failed jump starts. Hack number 8, coin break-in scam. This one is scary. Thieves wedge a coin inside your door handle. Your car doesn't lock, but you walk away thinking it did. Always visually check your door handle, then physically pull the handle after locking. 5 seconds can prevent a break-in. Hack number 7, heated side mirrors. Rain, ice, fog. Press the rear defrost button. In many cars, it also heats the side mirrors. Clear mirrors equals safer driving. Most drivers never realize this feature exists. Hack number 6, Apple for windshield film. That hazy windshield glare at night making headlights explode in your eyes. Here's a trick most people laugh at until they try it. Cut an apple in half. Rub it directly on the inside of your windshield. The natural acids break down oily residue and stubborn film. Wipe it clean with a microfiber cloth. No streaks, no glare. Crystal clear glass, no chemicals. Safe for tinted windows and surprisingly effective. Hack number 5, key fob in the fridge. Your key fob barely responds. You press unlock. Nothing happens. You move closer, still nothing. The range suddenly drops and now you're standing in a parking lot, pressing the button like it's broken. Before you panic, replace the battery or call roadside assistance. Try this emergency trick. Put your key fob in the fridge for about 10 minutes. Cold temperatures can temporarily boost weak battery output by reducing internal resistance. That tiny boost can strengthen the signal just enough to unlock your car and get you moving again. This is not a permanent solution, and it won't magically fix a dead battery. But if you're stuck late at night, far from home, in bad weather, or in an empty parking lot, this trick can buy you just enough time to drive away instead of being stranded. Hack number 4, lint roller interior clean. Pet hair everywhere? Dust embedded deep into the seats? Crumbs hiding in fabric that your vacuum somehow always misses? Skip the loud vacuum, cords, and attachments. A simple lint roller often works better on fabric interiors. Use it on seats, carpets, door panels, and even headliners. It instantly grabs hair, dust, and debris in seconds. No power, no noise, no setup. Perfect for quick cleanups before passengers get in. It's cheap, portable, and strangely satisfying to use. Once you try it, you'll keep one in your glove box forever. Hack number 3, panty liner air freshener. Car smells off, but regular air fresheners are overpowering. That strong chemical scent hits you the moment you open the door. Try this subtle, long-lasting solution. Take a panty liner and add 2 to 3 drops of essential oil. Stick it under your seat or in the trunk. It slowly releases a light fragrance for weeks instead of hours. No harsh smell, no headache. Bonus: panty liners absorb moisture and odors at the same time, which is exactly why rideshare drivers swear by this trick. Hack number 2, baby oil interior shine. Want your interior to look brand new without detailing prices? Baby oil is basically mineral oil, the same base used in many expensive interior detailing products. Put a few drops on a microfiber cloth, wipe dashboards, door panels, and plastic trim. You get instant shine, UV protection, and less cracking over time. Costs about $3 but looks like a professional detail job. Hack number 1, plunger dent removal. Small dent ruining your car's look? Before paying a body shop hundreds of dollars, try this first. Wet a plunger. Press it firmly over the dent. Pull straight out with steady pressure. Shallow dents can pop right back into place, especially fresh dents on flat panels. Worst case? Nothing happens. Best case? You save hundreds of dollars. So tell me, how many of these did you already know? Which one surprised you the most? Drop a comment below. Subscribe for more real car hacks mechanics don't talk about.